All right, here we have a post from a man in the relationship advice subreddit. Listen closely to what this man is saying. He's 31, she's 33. He says, I think I'm emotionally checking out of my relationship with my fiance after years of feeling like nothing I do is enough. Let's listen to this post together and just start highlighting all of the issues that you're seeing as I'm reading this post. Me and my fiance have been together for 8 years, and I think I'm finally done. She's the type of person who overthinks everything and needs a ton of emotional connection, reassurance, deep conversations, quality time, etc. She's very driven and type A. She works in finance and makes more money than me, despite us paying the same in rent. However, she does clean, keep the house together, decorate, and always thinking about the future. Yeah, and sure, she pays more when it comes to our home, random furniture, art, and food, but it's weird because I don't care about that stuff. Give me a working TV and a couch, and I'm happy. I don't care about art, fancy knives, or patio furniture. That's on her. But besides that, I genuinely admire her drive. She came from a poor family where it was instilled that she had to be successful and there was no fallback. She worked her way to the top in her company. But I also feel like I've spent years being told I'm not enough. I'm a pretty low maintenance guy. I'm calm, not jealous, not controlling. Don't start drama. If she goes out with friends, I'm not going to act passive. I'm not going to act possessive or insecure because I trust her. Apparently, that makes her feel like I don't care enough about losing her. She's told me before that she wants me to fight for her more emotionally. And honestly, I don't even fully know what that means. Whenever she's upset, I try to reassure her or stay calm, and sometimes it always turns into me being emotionally unavailable or dismissive. At some point, it felt like every conversation became about how I wasn't validating her enough, complimenting her enough, helping enough, listening enough, reacting enough, etc. I have started emotionally shutting down because I constantly felt criticized and like I couldn't win. If I stayed calm during arguments, I didn't care enough. If I pulled away because I felt drained, I was abandoning her emotionally. If I complimented her, it felt scripted because she'd asked for reassurance before. Now she says she feels emotionally alone in the relationship, and honestly, I think I do too, just in a different way. I still love her a lot, but I feel like she wants a level of emotional intensity and constant validation that I genuinely don't know how to provide naturally. And she probably feels like she's begging for basic emotional connection from me. At this point, I can't tell if we're incompatible or if resentment just killed the relationship over time. What can I tell her to work on to save this? Because I feel like I'm done. I don't think this man likes this woman. I don't think this man likes this woman at all. And I think that he should just go ahead and leave her alone. Because the thing is, what did he even say he liked about her? He didn't say anything. He's like, yeah, she makes more money than me. She does the majority of the household things and she's buying the majority of the furniture, the art. She tries to make things comfortable in the house. I ain't asked for all of that, but she does it. I could literally just sit on the couch and play video games. He didn't say that, but he did say just have a TV. These two do not sound compatible at all. Nothing about this post says, man, I really love this woman and I am really struggling to find a way to connect to her. He's just like, yeah, I don't think this is going to work. And for that, I really do believe he just needs to leave her alone. Gummy Bear Goddess is the one that tagged me in saying you would absolutely roast this man. And I said, he has a malfunctioning girlfriend appliance. She has feelings and needs connection. Why would an appliance need that? She is a woman that is seeking more. She needs an emotional connection in a relationship. It's not like she needs the money because she's the one that's making the majority of the money. So she's looking for support that's more than he has in him to provide. Therefore, if they are incompatible, if she's asking for something that he can't give, then they need to break up. Cecilia B says, can I guess that when she's upset, you're trying to say everything is okay and offering solutions? It sounds like she just wants you to listen and sympathize, to actually hear her. If you're interested in making it work, that's a good place to start. But honestly, you aren't on the same level and will be happier apart. Lemon Stealing for Fun says, I'm not reading anything in here that sounds like you show her love. You're acting like a passive roommate. There is nothing wrong with being more chill, but does it hurt to acknowledge her feelings and her joy? Love is an active process. Aside from sex, what ways do you show her affection? What ways do you show her she doesn't have to be the boss all the time? What ways do you do something for her rather than let her do her own thing? Do you ever inconvenience yourself a little to show her how much you care? By the sounds of things, you have done nothing and you expected things to be fine when she told you they aren't. Maybe I'm wrong, but you haven't mentioned what you have done for her. So what you don't care if she hangs out with her friends? That's the bare minimum. I was in a marriage like this. Glad I got out. To all the people who find her exhausting, she comes across that way because she is exhausted and has to fight for the scraps of what she needs. Meanwhile, all the rewards he benefits from her hard work, he dismisses because he doesn't care about that stuff. It's easy to not care when the stuff is handled for you. Here's the OP saying, I buy her flowers for her birthday and Mother's Day because we have a cat. I'm down for whatever she wants to do. I plan dates when she wants to go out. I'm a homebody and she likes being out. So when she asks, I plan beautiful dinners. She takes on those things because she wants to, not because I want her to. I was fine before. These two are not compatible at all. You see, it's like, if she wants to, I'll make it happen. He doesn't take any kind of initiative. This type of person would be exhausting to be with if you were the type of person that she is. Knives Out says, so it sounds like you only do things for her when she asks you to. That doesn't make anyone feel very cared for. It makes them feel like they're making you do that. Also, you buy her flowers 2 days a year. Should we clap? Problematic Feet says, this is all extremely passive. Down for whatever she wants to do. Plan dates when she wants to go out. When she asks, do you take initiative? Do you say, hey, girlfriend, I love you and I know you love Italian food, so I've been practicing this recipe for you? Do you surprise her with breakfast on the weekends? Do you complete chores without being asked? I suspect she takes things on because you've established an expectation, even if unintentionally, that she will handle it because of your ADHD. I know so many men like this. It's called weaponized incompetence, and it's an awful, awful trait to bring into a relationship. I won't tolerate it personally. I don't want my romantic relationships to feel like I'm babysitting a spoiled brat. Honestly, the OP was just looking for validation to break up with her. Where's My Mule says, she sounds exhausting and like the two of you are just not compatible. And to that, the OP says, yeah, starting to think so. I don't want to have to be enthusiastic in a conversation she's having with me when she gets home from work about drama that happened there. Like, I don't care. I love her and support her in other ways, but I don't like her emotional side. Like I said, she is a malfunctioning girlfriend appliance. This is the conversation that we have had where these people do not feel that they have to take any kind of interest in what you like. It's just like, I am uninterested. Why does she keep talking to me? Beox Kitty says, dude, when my partner tells me about work, I basically don't understand 99% of what he's talking about. You could say, I don't care, but I care about him, so I put effort into effing listening to him. And I'm ADHD recovering from a brain bleed that made me unable to speak clearly for a year. You can leave because you want to leave. Don't make it about her. It's not. It's you. Exactly. He's saying stuff. He's acting like it's her job that's so boring and she just wants this emotional attachment. He's just over her. He's over this woman wanting some support in her relationship. I love Wally. You're not compatible and she sounds exhausting. Here's the OP. Thanks. Something I'm looking into. She is amazing and I will miss the house we have and animals, but I'd rather have peace, even if in a smaller space. So this is her place. He's going to have to move. But now he's gotten that validation. He's like, yeah, she is exhausting. He just wanted someone else to say it, and they did. And I really do hope that he leaves and takes the trash out. That way she doesn't have to kick him out. I hope that he leaves. And that's what this person says. This guy just wanted validation that his girlfriend sucked. There is a male loneliness epidemic, and I really do believe that they are lonely because they make themselves lonely in their choices. All right, y'all weigh in. What do you think of this one?